Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of solutions, graphs, and quadratic functions. This is standard A.6C in the great state of Texas. We are using item number 3 of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. Alright, so we have a basic function. It is opening up here, and we just need to know which function best represents this function h here. Alright, so what can we do? We've got a few different options. Right? We can use the factored form. I'm going to start us instead with the vertex form. Right? Since the vertex seems to be pretty evident, we can use that vertex form, but you could use the factored form if you want to. So let's use that vertex form. You see that at the bottom of the screen, simply because that vertex looks like it's pretty clear for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to write that vertex form. So y equals a, right? We got to figure out what that a is. We've got x minus h squared plus k. Now it might seem a little bit strange, but here's your vertex. And this is why vertex form is so powerful. The vertex is right there. It's an x value of h. It's a y value of k. So if you can get it into that form, right, you can use it to find the vertex. Or you can start with that form and then kind of FOIL it back out. So what is my vertex? Well, it looks like it's pretty clear right there visually, and it's on some integers. Right? So I've got x of -1, a y of -4, but remember, I can call that my h, and I can call that my k. Alright? So we can rewrite it like this. We can say y equals a x minus, and then what is my h? My h is going to be -1, so it'll end up being a +1. That's fine. And then plus, and then my k is -4, okay, plus -4. Right, so we'll simplify that. Y equals a x plus 1 squared minus 4. Doesn't quite help me yet. Now I need an x and a y. I can choose either one. Let's go right here. Right, this is one of our zeros, or one of our solutions. Right, it's got an x of 1, a y of 0. All you need is any point on this particular graph, but look, if you can get a 0 in there and a 1, that makes things really simple. So I'm going to substitute those in. I'm going to say my y is 0 equals a, my x is 1, 1 plus 1 squared minus 4. Okay, so now I've boiled it down to only one unknown. That's the thing I need. If I can figure out the a, I can use that to figure out everything else. Okay, so 0 equals a, so that's going to be, and that's going to be 2 squared minus 4, right? So that's going to end up being 4a, right? Because the 2 squared makes 4, but they're being multiplied, so I have to keep those there. Minus 4, that's a 0. Let's add 4 to both sides. So 4 equals 4. Okay, so a just equals 1, which means as a multiplier, it just really just disappears. So now that we know a, here's what we need to FOIL out, right? So let's say y equals 1, and then I'm going to make this x plus 1 minus 4. Obviously that 1's not going to do anything, but we'll keep it there. Right? This is going to be x squared plus 1x, so that's going to be plus 2x. And then multiply 1 times 1 plus 1 minus 4. Now we need to distribute out that 1 to everything, which becomes just invisible. X squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 4. That becomes a minus 3. So y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3. And there's our answer, A.